a 97.78. Okay, guys, it's going to take a minute for everybody to kind of get out, position everything. We do have the number 10 mix. It is posted outside. I'm going to post it, sorry. Please check it out. Make sure it's correct, that you are in there. Before we get started, when we get started, that's too late. So make sure you check out the paperwork. Our next team out is going to be Roger and Kathy. They're working 6 head. They're going to be followed by Suzanne and Phil. Dawn and Marilee be thinking about it. Okay, flags up. 8, 8, 8.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Right in the corner behind.
Time. I give them a total of 5 head, giving them a total of 11 head.